Okay, we're going to show you how easy it is to mount this Alumiknox truck box. It's real simple too, guys. Go down your bed, set it in, line it up, get inside, take your mounting hardware. Okay, you simply just take your UJ bolts, slide them up through there, tighten them down. Do the other side. Okay, one on the other side and you're done. And it's mounted. Okay, snug goes up and you're done. Okay, that's it. You're done. What we want to talk about is our positive closure system. There's no slamming it. It's closed, it's tight. The way you operate this, the correct way to operate it is to close it. Everything's top and bottom's done. If you want in the top, you simply undo that and it'll open. And what you want to make sure that you don't do is you don't get these two confused and close that one first, or it won't close. Then you got a real problem, because what happens is now this is closed and it's on the outside of your latching mechanism, so it won't close. It'll bind up. You simply just open that up and then it will close, and then that is what controls the top. So this latches up in here when it's in the closed position. That's what holds it up in the tray. And the other thing that you can see is if you don't use your bottom to close it, this side might close, but that side stays open, and that's the problem, is that's on the outside now. So it's real simple. You just simply close it, close that, and up you go, and then they're both latched. So just always make sure that you do that one, then that one, when you're using your upper area. You don't have to close the bottom one if you want to get to it, but if you want to close it, you can get into it that way. The foam comes in 2 layers, and the reason for that is you have to create a spot for the give. When you stick thicker items in, you want to have some area for them to be able to move. So if you're putting guns and fishing poles, take this bottom one out. If you're just using small items, you can leave both pieces in. You can flip this foam upside down so the smooth side's up for real small items so they lay flat. And the same thing, just close it and they'll stay up there. I'm going to show you how easy it is to adjust your foam. So I'm going to use this for guns. I want to put some guns in. So I just simply take that out, take this one out, set this one back because I want to create some space. I want to be able to put thicker items in here. So I basically created that much space is all I've created, but it's enough to really give us a great area to hold thicker items securely and safely. So I'm just going to lay this in there. The gun's in there now, nice and secure, and that's where it'll be. If I want to get it, I simply go like that, and there it is. What everybody should do with their truck box, if it's not an Alumiknox box, get rid of it.